本来没有什么好，就变这么好。啊，吃饱了就在这边。吃饱了再弄个，乱闲。You should have some more pictures around the wall here because it's so empty, right?
Yeah.
Painting.
Children's paintings.
Painting. Too empty. Yes, for example, this one we can color with paint. There are many paintings downstairs.
Oh yeah, there's plenty. We can bring some. Okay.
Bring some up. Yes. This one becomes the two doors become the sofa now. So it becomes a living room that everybody can come and see me sometimes.
Yeah.
So you do the same thing downstairs in that big room.
Yeah.
You make a sofa out of it. Do you know how to make it? I'll show you.
Oh.
So there is, okay?
Yeah.
Boxes and wood and empty wood. The door I have taken from this useless. I give it to you downstairs.
Yeah.
It's just the same size. And you find something to put it on, okay?
Yeah.
And make it the sofa like this.
Yeah.
And you can just relax, huh? Otherwise it's so useless. Okay, good. Waiting for the blessed foods, is that right? So, all the Buddhas of America, huh? Come over, no problem. Come here. Vừa thôi, bụi nó lên ngập hết. Nghiệp chướng phủ đầy hết. Đó. Trời, ở cái này để làm gì à? Video hả? Trời. Hai cái hình này để nó có mix với nhau được không? Một cái thì thầy tu, một cái bận đồ đẹp vậy đó. Hả? No mixing hả? And this one, what kind of person is that, huh? Okay. Yeah, good decoration, huh? You bought all with the frame and everything? No. The frame you brought here?
Yes.
You have them in America also?
No, it's sent from Taiwan.
Sent? Huh? Send the whole thing?
Yes.
How can you bring 40 pictures with frames and everything?
We have big van.
Huh? Big van?
Yes.
Okay. There are many people who were not here. Su.
Nó sợ
âm nhân ta hả? Còn mấy ông Phật đằng sau lưng trốn không cho người ta thấy à hả? Phật gì nó gồ ghề cái vậy trốn chân vậy hả? Hả? Sao? Bây giờ gặp rồi là sao đây? Cho gì? Cả ngày đâu có ăn uống gì đâu. Đem đồ gì ăn đâu? Hối lộ đâu? Triều cống chứ. Hả? Đòi gặp chứ, đòi nặng nặc chứ gặp rồi đâu rồi sao? Gặp rồi sao đây? You always wanted to see me, so now you saw me. What happened now? Huh? What happened? What do you want to see? What do you want to give me? What do you want to take from me? What happens? Huh? Anything good? Yeah? Hi? I have given you everything already. It's up to you to develop, huh? Whether you see me or not see me, you have everything, huh? I have come here not to see you. It's just by the way. I came for some refugee issue. Nothing concrete, but because of that I came. Otherwise I did not want to come, and especially at this time. But since I am here, so I let you see me, okay? So don't expect too much. Also because next week, no, not next week. Next week?
Yes.
I'm going to speak at the United Nations again. So by the way, I have to be here, so you profit from this occasion. Because I was invited since last year, before I went to Japan even. So since I'm in America, I might as well pay my debt. So everyone's okay? No complaints? The woman who came this morning, she left?
No, I'm here.
Oh, here? Oh, you changed your clothes?
No.
No? I remember you had red clothes on, no?
No.
No? You must have been angry this morning. The whole body looked red. The top one looked red. And your husband's here?
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh, both of you look different now. How come? Huh? Some magic, huh? A magical power or something. Any complaints against me? If there is, you can write it on a piece of big paper like that, but only on a small corner underneath. And after you have written it, you can fold it very nicely and then put it in the dustbin. So nice to see you. You have made this place very nice. Huh? So, it's okay to speak English? Understand? No? Yes, no, no, yes. The place is very nice, okay? You have spent some money, huh? Spend time and money here, make trouble for me, huh? You spend time to make trouble for me. Huh? Okay. It's nice. I like your pavilion. It's beautiful. We went for a walk this morning, looking for some bears. And deers and goats, we could see no one. It's very nice. Did you use them yet? No?
Yes.
Yes? Retreat, huh? Small retreat, huh?
Yes.
You retreat to come here just to eat and sleep and gossip without hindrance. Because at home you have work to do. You have friends, you have a telephone, so you cannot gossip freely and sleep freely. When you come here, you just retreat to sleep. Is that right? Yeah? It's okay. At least you have somewhere to go to hide and sleep. To be able to sleep is also very rare, huh? It's not easy. I'm still busy with work and time changing. So you see my eyes look like very cloudy. It might rain, like rainy weather. It's going to rain. So you like it here? I like it here now. I didn't like it before. You made it very homely, cozy, and you have put your sincerity in it. So I feel I like to stay this time. I never liked to stay before. I said I feel like only. I did not say I will stay. Feel like. Muốn ở thôi, chưa có nói ở gì hết. Mà vỗ tay sùm. Mừng gì đâu mà quá như vậy. Mừng vừa thôi, mừng quá. Hả? Ở đâu lại đây? Hả? Boston hả?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania? Or the neighboring states? Yeah. Good. Gì đâu mà lại dữ vậy trời ơi, thôi vừa thôi. Hả? Lại Phật gỗ quen rồi, vô thấy Phật sống lại le lại lịa. Lại nhiều mỏi tay, tay để kiếm tiền mà để lại Phật. Yeah. This is a nice place, huh? How long does it stay like this? Anyone who doesn't understand English, raise your hand. Yes? Người nào mà không biết tiếng Anh giơ tay lên coi. Rồi đi ra ngoài kia chơi. If you don't know English, go out. What do you do here? Go behind and get some translation, yeah? Sometimes I don't feel like speaking Vietnamese, yeah? Sometimes. It's difficult. Sometimes I don't feel like speaking Chinese. I feel speaking English is the easiest, even though my English is it's still better than a broken Vietnamese. There's some Americans around there. One? The one and only? So just to see you, huh? For warming up, and then we see what we do next. Huh? Boston, how come you're here now? On strike or what? No work? Huh?
As soon as we heard you were here, we just
Don't care about work. Just left. Just quit the job. Leave the boss over there and then say, sayonara. Maybe I come back, maybe not. Is that right? Keep your job in order until I come back. In case I do come. Huh? Well, that's the problem. I was thinking this afternoon how nice it would be just to be a governor of a state or a president, or whatever. Because you just govern people, but you don't have to see them. Except when you go for election, then you go around, shake hands, kissing babies and hugging old women and all that. Yes. But then normally you don't have to see people. You stay in your palace, warm, tidy, nice, and cozy with your family and your friend circle. And now and again you see whom you want to see or whom you have to see for the profit of the nation or your own. Yeah. You don't have to always hang around with the whole crowd of people like this. And even if you open the door, I don't think people will come. I don't think people like to hang around in the White House or governor's palace every day, no? What do you think? Do they? Do they want to? No, I don't think so. I was thinking this afternoon when you start to stream into this place, I was thinking, it would be better to be a governor or to be something like that, a political head. And you govern and people know all about you and respect you, but you don't have to take the bitter part of it. Like, see the people every day and entertain them and make your house become a public hotel, Free of charge.